Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage on your iPhone. Now you could download and install third-party apps to be able to do this, but the nice thing is you can do it on your iPhone completely free just using the built-in apps that are already on your phone. I'll show you how it works. Take your finger and swipe down. In the search, let's search for shortcuts. There you can see is the default built-in Shortcuts app. Tap on Shortcuts. Tap on Gallery at the bottom right. Tap on Search at the top. Search for Photo Grid. On Photo Grid, tap the plus at the top right. Tap the X at the top right to get out of search. Tap Library at the bottom left. Tap on Photo Grid, not on those three dots, but just General in here. You can see it pops up with the photo options. You can select 2, 4, 10, 20 photos, kind of however many you want. I'm going to select 4 photos. Tap on the check button, check at the top right. You can see it creates that photo collage. I can save this to my photos by tapping Image at the top and hitting Save to Photos. I can also tap on the Share button at the bottom right, and I can choose to send it as a text message, an email. I can even put it in notes, or if I scroll down, I can choose to print that if I wanted to as well. I hope this helps, and if you enjoyed this video, check out the one over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.